Hey guys, Rick for Sonance here, back in our video. So in this video, we're gonna discuss UK house basses, like artists as Skepsis, TS7, Motif, and Sammy Virji, and will be the style of Deep Rot and UKF. So we'll be discussing the main keys of the bass line, the drums, songwriting, all that kind of stuff. So let's get it started. So first, let's discuss the songwriting a little bit more. So the melody sounds like this. It's a remake of TS7 and Skepsis, their track Freaks. So let's discuss the melody. It starts off with a D sharp, it's in F minor. So it's actually starting off at a 7th. Then it goes to the 6th and the 5th. Those UK kind of style tracks really tend to use the 6th and the 5th notes a lot, so I would really advise you when you're making your own melody to do that. Then back to the roots. And at the second part it goes up to the 3rd note. Then the 5th, 4th, and back to the 3rd. So that's it for songwriting. Now let's dive into sound design. So by the way, all the drums, presets are coming from the pack Basses 4 and 5s. So if you want to make UK bass music, like artists as Chris Lorenzo, Holy Goof, Skepsis, all those artists, make sure to check the pack. It includes a lot more basses like this. If you want to make this style, it's a must to check it out. So now let's dive into Serum. So let's start off with the main sound of the song. We're gonna make it from scratch. So select our preset. We'll use some monster wave stable. Lower down 1 octave. With 3 unisons. Just to widen it up a little bit more. Then shape the wave stable to just around here. Then we're gonna use S letter B, put it up 1 octave and 7 semitones. And lower note levels, so either with those sounds you can FM modulate it, or you can put it up 7 semitones and quite a few octaves to really get a nasty sound. In this case we're gonna do both, but first we're gonna shape the envelope. With that back to around 40, quite a short decay time. Just a little bit of sustain. And quite some release. So to give an example of the second method with a high octave. As you can hear, this will give that kind of effeminating effect to it. So you can use that technique to get those bass sounds. However, let's disable it and do it the other way with effemination. Just around here. Then we're gonna enable modo legato always, and a little bit of portamento, just to add some more slide to it. Then we're gonna dive in effects, some hyperdimension, some diode 1 distortion to really boost the sound, just like this, some OTT, just the threshold, a little bit back, gain up. I'm gonna shape the envelope a little bit more, just to make it a bit more punchy. Then we're gonna filter it. Just where the envelope wants to cut off. Add some drive. Then some EQing, just cut off the lows to make room for the sub bass. And boost highs a little bit. Then some reverb and delay to finish it off. Just like this. So then what I really like to do with a sound is to run a macro to the wavetable position and the feminization, so now you can easily get new sounds with it. So then when tweaking the macro, it gives a completely different sound. So that's it for the lead sounds. Now let's move on to the sub bass. So the sub bass is gonna be quite a simple one. So we're just quickly gonna dive into it, sounding like this. So with all the sounds disabled, it sounds like this. So it's a saw wave 2 octaves down, then the 4088 wavetable, with the 7 semitones up and 1 octave down, like the technique we discussed before. So then we filtered it. So make sure to only filter oscillator A. The oscillator B won't be filtered, will be filtered later on in effects. So then some hyperdimension, some diode 1 distortion. This will make it really gritty, so the distortion in combination with the 7 semitones up really gives a cool sound to it. So then, just to give some more control of it, we filtered it to make room for the lead sounds. So the final sound like this, together with the bass, together with the lead, it sounds like this. So we can shape this one a little bit more FM. So now let's continue with the drums. We started off with this TS7 kick. Really that UK-ish kind of sound. Then we added some claps. The open hi-hat. Closed hi-hat. Right before the open hi-hat, to add some more swing. And a rim shot to finish it off. Especially this one. It's really typical for this kind of sound. Then we mix it with drum bass, without and with it. So first some soft clipping, some transient shaper, just bumping up that tech. Some parallel compression. Just put the mix around 50% and really compress it really hard. And some minor compression just to add some more pump sounds to it. Short attack and short release. Just to get some more emphasis on the punch of the sound. This will make the drums pump a little bit more. So that's it for the drums. Now it's time to check out the final result. And that's it for the video. So if you like the video, please hit like to see more, hit the subscribe button. And to see you in the next videos, the final sound will sound like this.